Sunday marauding Australian Test cricketers demolished England in just 12 of the 15 available days of the first 3 Test matches of the 5 Test Ashes series. And remember now, the Aussies battering and bruising of their fiercest rivals to retain the most high-profile prize left in Test cricket come on the heels of the same Australians winning their first ever World T20 title. And I can tell you, the Maverick is not amused. I respect the positive and aggressive cricket the Australians play, but I am not a big Australian cricket fan. From that fateful series in 1995, when Australia beat and toppled the West Indies as world champions of cricket, me don't like them. Yes. And now, after a few years in the relative doldrums, the Aussies seem to be coming full circle on a trajectory to regain their full supremacy in world cricket. And all of this while the West Indies are sinking deeper and deeper into obscurity. That makes it even worse. Me not happy for Australia. Yes. I don't like to see them play unless they lose. Yes. Bad mind is active. I don't like the Australian cricket.